What's the deal with hiccups? You're minding your business and suddenly your diaphragm is like, let's ruin the vibe. Doctors say it's a spasm, but what if it's a glitch in the simulation? Like the universe's way of checking if you're paying attention. And why do they always hit at the worst times mid-presentation, first date, or right before you finish a sneeze? There's no cure either. You just sit there drinking water upside down like a circus clown, hoping it stops before you accidentally hiccup yourself into another dimension. Hit the button. Do it for the vibes. And me. Mostly me.